Hello students, question number 6, first point from exercise 1.1. See the problem. Given A is equal to set of all x belongs to whole numbers such that x is less than 2. B is equal to set of all x belongs to natural number such that x is greater than 1 and x is less than or equal to 4. Then C is equal to 3, 5 is given. You have to verify that A cross of B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. So it is given, we have to verify that. So in the set C already elements are given, but A and B there is no element given, but some condition is given. We have to write the elements of the sets. So you know already whole numbers. The whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot. Here we need less than 2. X under another A odd elements, that is less than 2. எதுக்குள்ள இருக்கும் அந்த x whole numbers குள்ள இருக்கணும். அப்போ whole numbers குள்ள இருக்கிற அந்த less than 2. அப்போ less than 2 னா 0, 1 மட்டும் நமக்கு வரும். அப்போ 0, 1. Next B. X belongs to natural numbers. You know already the natural numbers. The natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot dot. So X belongs to natural numbers such that X is greater than 1. Greater than 1. 1 oda greater and then less than or equal to 4. So up to 4 vary. So 2, 3, 4. The elements are B are 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4. So C is already given. Now we can solve the problem. Okay, now the first one, LHS, left hand side, A cross of B union C. So first we have to find the within the bracket. So bracket equal to the first number find out panikalam. So first B union C. So B union C is nothing but we have to union the set B and C. So what are the elements of B? 2, 3, 4. Union. The elements of C are 3, 5. So union means you know already we have to write all the elements together. The elements are repeating. Leave it. So one times only we have to write. So first 2 is here. So we can write 2. Then 3 is here. So 3 other no need to write. So once we can write. Then 4. So then 5 second set so we have to write all the elements together. If the elements are repeating, we have to write once. Okay. So B union C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to write all the elements together. So you know already very well because you have learned the concept in your 9th standard. Okay. Now let's find the A cross of B union C. So now A cross of B union C is equal to. So first we have to write the elements of A. So what are the elements of A? The elements of A are 0, 1 cross. The elements of B union C are 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements of B union C. Now you can make the Cartesian product as usual method. So first we have to first element with the first set with all the elements in the second set. So first 0, 2. Next 0, 3. Next 0, 4. Next 0, 5. Next 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4, 1, 5. It is Cartesian product of A cross of B union C. That is LHS. Now we have found the LHS of the problem. Next we have to find the RHS of the problem. That means right hand side of the problem. So now let us find out. So in the right hand side there is A cross B union A cross C. First we have to find the within the brackets. So first here A cross B. Now let's find the A cross B. So A cross B is nothing but first write the elements of A. The elements of A are 0, 1. cross the elements of B are 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now we can make the Cartesian product of A cross B. So first we have to multiply 0 with all the elements in the second set. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Then again 1 with all the elements in the second set. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So it is A cross B. So next we have to find A cross C. So A cross C. So write A cross C is equal to, first listing the elements of A. The elements of A are 0, 1. Then cross the elements of C. The elements of C are is nothing but 3, 5. So write 3, 5. So now we can make the Cartesian product of A cross C. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Next 1, 3, 1, 5. It is the Cartesian product of A cross C. Next we have to find the fully of RHS A cross B union A cross C. So now let's write A cross B union A cross C. We have to write all the order pairs together, A cross B and A cross C. So A cross B liyum A cross C liyum ella order pairs நம்ம இதுல combine பண்ணி எழுத போறோம். So now let's write, because it is union. Suppose there is intersection, means we have to write the common order pairs, but here given union. So we have to write all the order pairs together. If the order pairs is repeating, we have to write once only. Okay, now first 0, 2. So 0, 2 in the Cartesian product A cross B. So 0, 2. So 0, 2 illa, so no, then no problem. So 0, 3 idhile irukku one time எழுதுனா போதும். So one time we can write. Then 0, 4. 0, 4. So idhile illa, appo no problem. Irundhalum no problem. So 0, 4. Next 1, 2. So 1, 2. Next 1, 3 idhile irukku, so no problem. Once you have to write. So 1, 3. Then 1, 4. 1, 4. Next இதுல இருக்குதெல்லாம் நம்ம ரைட் பண்ணியாச்சு. பாருங்க A cross B இருக்குறது நம்ம ரைட் பண்ணியாச்சு ஆல்ரெடி. சோ நெக்ஸ்ட் A cross எது செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நம்ம இப்போ. 0, 3 ஆல்ரெடி ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கோமா? ரைட் பண்ணியாச்சு. 0, 5 இல்ல. அப்ப இதல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? சேர்த்துக்கலாம். சோ 0, 5. நெக்ஸ்ட் 1, 3 ஆல்ரெடி ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கோமா? எஸ், we have right already. So then 1, 5. So 1, 5 ஆல்ரெடி ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கோமானா? இல்ல. அப்போ we can write. So 1, 5. So it is the Cartesian product of A cross B union of A cross C. Now we have to check with the A cross of B union C with the A cross B union A cross C. Now let's check with the both. So check 0, 2. So there is 0, 2 irukku. So the equation 1 nu vechukeenga. The equation 2 we can compare now. So 0, 2 both இருக்கு. So 0, 3 இருக்கு. 0, 4 அதுல இருக்கு, இதுல இருக்கு. 0, 5 அதோ இருக்கு. So no problem. Order மாறிக்கலாம், no problem. Then 1, 2 right there is. Then 1, 3 also is there. 1, 4 also there is. Then 1, 5 also there is. So எல்லாமே இதுல இருக்கிற elements எல்லாமே அந்த சைடுல இருக்கு. All the elements of A cross B union C is equal to all the elements of A cross B union A cross C. So A cross of B union C ல இருக்கிற எல்லா ஆர்டர் பேர்ஸுமே A cross B union A cross C ஆர்டர் பேர்ல இருக்கு. So அப்போ both are equal. Therefore from equation 1 and 2, A cross of B union C is equal to, the RHS is A cross B union A cross C. So hence verified. Okay, thank you students.